Hello, hello. Welcome to my cozy couch corner. Let's have a quick chat. If you're new here, welcome to Conversa. I'm Teacher Shelby. This is your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Today, we're learning how to answer this very important question. How was your day? How was your day? Let's go. Here we go. We're going to answer the very common questions. How was your day? You can always answer, it was good, but it's time to learn how to tell someone more information, like what you did today. So, how was your day? What did you do today? To answer these questions, you need past tense verbs because your day already happened in the past. You need transition words to make your story flow, and you need a little future tense to talk about the rest of your day if the day is not over yet. Now, at the end, I'll share my busy day today and why I'm on my couch as an example. When someone asks, how was your day? You want to use the past tense, right? And here are some common transition words to organize your story, like first, then, next, after that, finally. For example, first I woke up, then I ate breakfast. After that, I went to work. Finally, I came home and relaxed. Notice the verbs woke up, ate, went, came, relaxed. These are all past tense to talk about your day. Next, you can also add a little about what's next in your day. For this, we use the future tense like going to or will. For example, later I will cook dinner. After that, I'm going to watch TV. Now, let me give you an example by telling you about my day today. Let's see if you can understand everything I say. Ready? This morning, I woke up at 5:45 a.m. Too early. I snoozed my alarm just one time, so I got up at 5:55, 10 minutes later. I quickly got dressed and I left my house on my scooter. This is my scooter at 6:10. I arrived at my friend's coffee shop. Her name is Maddie, and her coffee shop is called Canyons Coffee here in Utah. Well, I arrived at 6:30 because I helped her bake pastries this morning. First, I made bagels. Then we made burritos, coffee cake, scones, muffins, and finally we finished the day by making some syrups and chai. Now, around 11 in the morning, once everything was made and ready, we had to clean. So I did dishes, we swept, mopped, and took out the trash. At 12 p.m., we were finally finished. But my day wasn't over yet. I also worked for my online school job. I got an iced matcha, yummy, and a blueberry lemon scone, and I graded and created curriculum content for 2 more hours. At 2 p.m., the shop closed, so I rode my scooter home, and on the way home, I got gas. Now, when I got home, I needed a break. I was so tired. So I set a timer on my phone and I scrolled on social media for 30 minutes to give my brain a break. But at 2:30, I started making this YouTube video. You're watching it right now, and that's why I'm filming it, recording it on my couch. That has been my day so far. Hey, now you know how my day was so far up until this moment, but what about the rest of my day? Let me tell you what I'm going to do. It's only 3 p.m., so after this, I will edit the video and post it on YouTube, of course. Then maybe I'll take a short nap here on my couch. And my husband, he gets off work at 6, and I will probably walk to the gym at 5:45 to meet him there. Next, we'll work out for an hour and then come back home together. After the gym, I will cook dinner tonight. I think I want to eat breakfast for dinner. Cooking all and baking all of those pastries this morning. I want something like pancakes and sausage and eggs. I don't know. After all that, finally, I will relax here in my living room on the couch again and watch some TV and maybe go to sleep a little early because my day started at 5:45. It's been a long day. And that's how you can answer, how was your day? What did you do? Now, try this in the comments. Tell me, how was your day? What did you do today? Use those past tense verbs, transition words, and even future tense if your day is not finished yet. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget a like, subscribe, send this video to a friend who's learning English too, and check out my last couple of videos, job interview help or English for the classroom. I'll see you next time. Bye.